You how to customize your own fidget spinner. Alright, so first things first, you can choose any spray paint you want, but for right now we're picking gold. And you need something to splat with, so we're just using a straw. And then we need something to hold the spray paint in. And last, just to be safe, a mask. Alright, so we did the splattering and we're just gonna let it sit for about 15 minutes and then come back and flip it and then just do the other side. Alright, so this is how it's looking right now, guys. It looks pretty sick. So remember, you guys can do this with any color you guys want. So yeah. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and see you guys next one.